welcome to MSRRC. We have a battery review today. Yeah, so I was going to get this open. Let's get it open and we'll review these batteries I got. Alright, get that open. There's the box to come in. Package I got from, came in a Amazon box. Got them off Amazon. These are the POVWAY batteries. Alright, that's what they come in. Two regular boxes. Got two batteries. Actually got the here. They're $35.99 and out the ship and everything's $47.02. What it cost me for two of these. 3,000 milliamp per hour, 11.1. So let's get this one of these boxes open. That's how it comes. Normal instruction sheets. So let's take a look at the battery. Bubble wrap sheet. It's kind of a thin battery to be a 3-cell. Got the right wires for it. Oh, that's a large battery for a 3-cell. Here's a 3-cell, 300. This is 3,500 milliamp hour. 3-cell, 30 discharge. This quite won't fit into my crawler. Too large. Because I take short batteries in most of my crawlers. Let's cell checker on it. .65 volts at 56%. 3.881. 3.88. 3.89. 3.895. First cell 56, second cell 55, third cell 58%. Alright, that is that battery, and the same thing with this one. Same thing. Let's do a cell check on it. .63 volts at 55%. First cell 3.875, 54%. Second cell is 3.87 at 53%. Third cell is 3.886 at see that? Cell is moving. Anyway, 3.8, 56, 57%. Alright, we're going to put these, get both of them on charge, and then we're going to run them, see how they run. Otherwise, they're a pretty decent looking battery. I think I'm going to run them into Windigio Red Cat I got. And since they're larger than what I run in my crawlers, I can actually crawl with it too because of the way the setup I got. And we'll see go from there. So let's get these two charged up and see what kind of run time we have on them. Alright, got the batteries all charged up. I also numbered them 1 and 2. I got my tester here. I actually charged these batteries, charged one Saturday evening, I charged one Sunday evening. Took me about 15 minutes with my charger. That's about normal for this size battery. Let's go ahead and check the voltage on number 1 battery. Alright, it's 12.41 at 94%. Cell 1, 4.125 at 92%. Cell 2 is 4.135 at 94%. And cell 3 is 4.1. It's flopping. 155% at 96% of the battery. Alright. And then battery 2, same voltage, 12.41 at 94%. So 1 is 4131 at 93%. Cell 2 is 4.140 at 94%. And cell 3 is 4.147 at 95%. We're gonna run these. I'll probably at least get one of them run this evening. It's Thursday, 24th, Christmas Eve. We're gonna try to get one because it's fixing to get dark here. It's been raining mostly today, and we're getting one run today, and we'll run this one tomorrow. Alright, we out here in the backyard. We'll do a review test, run test on these batteries. We at the number 1 in this truck. We'll do a battery cell check before we run it. Get this thing. I'm gonna set the camera down just a second. Plug this in. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Get it. You can see, there you go. 12.50 at 98%. And cell 1, 4149 at 95. Cell 2 at 4.166 at 97. Cell 3, 4.192 at 99. Alright, we're going to get this thing out, get the phone back on the stand, and get some running time in. Let's see, that sun a little bright today. That looks good. You can see the back of the woods back there. Alright, we're going to plug her in, put the body on. Alright, go in and see if loaded on it. I broke my sway bar. No big deal. I got another bar I put on it. Lost the rear drive shaft. It's spinning in the shaft. I'm gonna fix that. And we'll run the other battery. So get it right here. There we go. We'll get the body off of it. We're going to do a battery check on it. Switch it off. Battery not even warm. Motor seems to be fine. It's a little warm, but it ain't, you know, hot. So let's see if we can get a battery test on this. We are in this video at 11 minutes 46 seconds. The battery at 3% at 10.49 volts. I hope y'all can see that. First cell 3.485 at 3%. Second cell 3.502 at 3%. And final, the third cell 3.512%. Yeah, high tongue 3.51312 at 3%. So we got approximately about maybe 10-15 minutes run time out of that battery. Alright, we're gonna pause this. We'll come back with the second battery after repairing the window. Number 2 battery around here where you can see it. Get the number 2 battery out here. We're gonna run it and see what we can get on it. Let's first off, let's do a
you crazy mother.
Alright, we at 98% at 12.5 volts. Let's see, first cell 4.15253 at 96%. Second cell is 4.165 at 97%. And finally the third cell is 4.168 at 99%. Well, let's get this thing plugged up and get it run. Got the right controller now. Let's see if this thing will work better. There we go. Get this body off of it. Motor a little warm. Not hot enough to take your fingers off, but it's warm. Battery warm, no puffing. Looks real good. Alright. If y'all can see that, that's 10.448 volts, 10.48 volts at 3%. First cell is 3.490 at 3%. Second cell is 3.495 at 3%. And then finally the third cell is 3.509 at 3%. So first off, I'm gonna give them a thumbs up. I believe these do pretty good for bashing. I mean, the battery ain't even warm, hardly. You can tell a little bit of temperature in it, but it is not hot. And you can tell I have been running this thing. Tore it up last time. Seemed like everything's in working order again. Everything works. My front wheels are loose. Yeah, other than that, I mean, does pretty good.